I'm Dr. Shahid Abbas, consultant allergy and immunology. With 30 years of experience as allergy specialist in Pakistan and different countries of the world. Microparticle technology is the latest research technology of the world and of this century even, and it is really effective with amazing results. So the concept of Tri Immuno Complex, local application, secondly, immunostimulation, and thirdly is immunoboost. Local application is for the serums, creams, and lotions. What I have done, I have added peptides, probiotics, hyaluronic acid, antioxidants, amino acids for local application and immunostimulation. So what is the immunostimulation? Basically, I'm an allergy specialist and I am giving the sublingual lingual immunotherapy, that is sublingual vaccine, since year 2000 to my patients in Pakistan and in UAE. I'm giving these sublingual immunotherapy or vaccine are FDA approved even and used all over the world by the allergy specialists instead of the allergy shots. So on the same concept, I developed the sublingual immunotherapy with the peptides, probiotics, hyaluronic acids, and amino acids. So I want to treat the condition of hair fall and the skin conditions sublingually as well as with the local application, so that the effect is much better, not only with the local effect, but from the immune system also, there will be an improvement of the conditions. So along with the local applications, sublingual immunotherapy, I highly recommend Detoxivate Immunoboost tablet, which contains high levels of vitamin C, which is non-acidity causing vitamin C, high levels of magnesium and zinc, which are required for the skin and hair health. So I have used the microparticle technology in our products. What is the microparticle technology? But to appreciate that, let's talk about the skin. Skin has got two layers, epidermis, dermis. The epidermis has got 6 layers. The uppermost is stratum corneum, and then the dermis. Dermis has blood vessels, collagen, elastins, fibroblast, and the hair follicles. So all the important components of the skin and hair are present in the dermis, and the health of the hair and the skin depends mainly on the health of the dermis. So any cream, lotion which is applied on the skin, on the stratum corneum, if the particles are large, that stays on the surface of the stratum corneum and does not go deep where these are really required. Since the particles stay on the top, those creams and serums, they can cause the local lubrication, local moisturization, but they are not going to help in the health of the hair or the skin. These ingredients must reach in the deeper part of dermis so that they are effective. So we have combined the concentrate with the microneedling technology to be more effective. Microneedling is used all over the world for different hair and skin conditions. And on the left side, you can see the directions to use, but we'll discuss this in the later presentation, that first the microneedling is done on the skin with the derma roller, and then our concentrate is applied, then massage is done so that our ingredients of our concentrate reach the deeper part of the skin where it is effective. In figure 1, you can see the normal hair with the sheath around the hair, and in the part 2, in the figure 2, you can see that after the roller, and application of our concentrate, the particles of the ingredients that we use, probiotics and our peptides and amino acids, they are microparticles. They are fine particles. Big particles cannot travel through the sheath or through the epidermis to the deeper part of the dermis. So the particles, microparticles, they reach to the deeper part of the dermis and to the base part of the hair follicle to stop the hair fall, prevent the hair fall, and help in the regrowth of the hair follicle. To better understand, I just want to explain the microneedling shortly. Why microneedling? In fact, the target for regrowth of the hair in microneedling is the bulge, which is 1.5 millimeter from the stratum corneum. First, I just want to tell you the basic concept of body repair. When there is an injury to the body, there is a message going to the immune system which tells the body to repair itself by making new blood vessels, increasing the blood supply, and formation of collagen, which is called neovascularization and neocollagenization. Now, the needles that we use with this roller are the micro needles. They are not they're much smaller than the other needles. The length of the needles for different conditions is different. For a hair fall, 0.5 to 1 millimeter, and some they used to up to 1.5 millimeter. Why? Because the bulge is 1.5 millimeter from the epidermis, from the stratum corneum. Now, when 1 millimeter needle is inserted with the micro puncture, very minute, very minute puncture is there, then that message which was going normally in the injury for repair, with this micro injury, the false message goes to the bulge. The bulge is the place which has got the stem cells for the repair and regrowth of the hair. Now that false message goes to the bulge. That bulge sends a message to the basal layer, base of the hair follicle, to cause the stimulation of the regrowth of the hair. Now, this is the one side. The second is that we have a double stimulation now. With the roller, there's a stimulation in the regrowth with the signals. With our concentrate, the microparticles, they reach to the lower part of the dermis and to the through the sheath, through the hair follicle base. It blocks the DHT and stimulates the hair growth and increases the blood supply. So, two-pronged effect. One is through the needle with the signal, microneedle, and the other is through the blockage of the DHT with our concentrates and stimulation of the blood supply to the hair follicle. So this is, rollers are in fact used for different conditions all over the world. And you will see different improvement after the rollers in the hair loss, wrinkles, anti-aging lines, and different conditions. You can see there another picture where with the simple roller, the improvement in the hair fall is within 4 weeks. But when combined with our concentrate, the roller and the concentrate has amazing effects. The hair regrowth is there, the stoppage of the hair fall is there, and the prevention of the hair fall is also there. And the results are amazing with all combined effect. You can see here the hair follicle, there is with our microneedling and concentrate, the increase of the blood supply, DHT is removed, DHT is blocked, and the pores are opened. So the combined effect is stronger, fuller here. These are the list of the products. These can be used singly without the roller, but I highly recommend that you use it with the derma rollers, and we will supply these derma rollers along with the serum and also instructions how to use. I'll make separate videos for each condition, how to use the derma roller so that you can use it for yourself and without spending too much money on these conditions. So these are our products. These are our serums and other products which you can order from online or by calling our office 051 111 160 in Pakistan and in Dubai and US. Thank you very much and God bless you all.